What's the meaning of condom? Condom. Condom.
Condom. Condom. A condom is a type of contraceptive device made from thin rubber that is worn over the penis during sexual intercourse. The purpose of a condom is to prevent pregnancy by stopping sperm from entering the vagina. Condoms are also effective in preventing the transmission of sexually transmitted infections, STIs, including HIV. Using a condom is a safe and reliable method of contraception, and is recommended for anyone who is sexually active and not using other forms of birth control. It is important to use a new condom every time you have sex.